Multi-layered display using water drops, an innovative 3D display technology. We present a multi-layered display that uses water drops as voxels. To create the display, a projector is synchronized with multiple layer drop emitter manifolds. Each layer is created by a linear manifold of emitters controlled by a single solenoid valve. The drops are generated in sync with the projector by connecting it with the computer which controls the valve. The microcontroller at Mega 328 controls the functioning of the solenoid valve according to the signals given from the computer. MOSFET is used to drive solenoid valves. Solenoid valves are used to control the flow of water from inlet pipes to emitters. Here we use two layers and hence two solenoid valves are used. The solenoid valves are connected to the emitter. The images are sent from computer to projector alternatively. Each valve is open in corresponding instances. The synchronized projector-emitter system enables a spatio-temporal display. The persistence of vision enables us to see a continuous two-layered images, and thus we see blue and red images simultaneously. Display at work. Thank you.